So my name is Norbert Schäfer. I am the GO from the AEbt company on one side, and on the other side I am the assessor for railway safety. And this is the target what we are here now. We help the government and the railway industry to homologate the railway system. And the railway system is on one side the track side, on the other side the locomotives, the trains, the passenger coaches and so on. And that is our target. We are a company who make the test of components for the industry, test from trackside components, test from rolling stock components, onboard units, for example, also for the train control system. I would say ETCS for one point on one side, and on the other side, we know exactly here, exactly in Europe how to handle with the different regulations. In Europe we have on the one side France, Germany, Poland, in the south Austria, Switzerland. All have the same regulations and standards, and now they must come together because the borders are open, and when we want in Europe to go from one country to another country. And that is now our experience, what we want to bring now here in the Middle East. The railway is now starting on the green field, and so we can help to not make the same mistakes what each country has done the mistakes in the last 150 years. So you have also now in the future open borders. You must want to with your train from one town to another town a far distance, and to have a good railway system and a common railway system, and that is the target what we stay here, and to check the requirements on one side and the other side to help us our experience for the safety targets and safety levels, that you have a good safety railway system.
So you said you wanted to bring your product to the Middle East, really. How is the show, or how do you feel the show will help you do that?
Our product is only is to make the safety case. We don't produce something. We are not operator. We check from the idea, from the concept, the idea to build a railway system. This finally on the end, that before the railway system is going into operation, that it is safe on one side, and it fulfills your special requirements. That is our product is to check the safety.
Please come to the organizer's office to collect your prize. Thank you.
Okay, so what's been your highlight of attending the show? You've attended as an exhibitor. How have you found the show
Our highlight
today?
from our company is that we have the completely knowledge in track side, in the train side, rolling stock side, and operation and maintenance to have a safety system. And our point of view is we are starting with the operator and with the manufacturer by the beginning of the idea to start with the railway system. And the railway system is for us also metro, tram, a monorail. We are also assessors for backless systems, and also for high-speed trains. And so that is our highlight, that we can combine safety case, assessment, and a notified body to bring it together and to have a good consultancy for your future system.
Lovely, that's great. So is there one big highlight you could tell us about your show, like about your experience today? Is there one big thing? Is there one big person you've met, or?
Our big highlight is that by the project starting, you have on one side the functionality requirements, on the other side we have all the safety requirements. We know about all the safety levels and how to handle it and how to create the safety levels into a good operation.